Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me wanting to know what the connector tool was for. And this is 2019, and the connector tool has a flyout like many new tools were 18 and below. They would have been in the drop-down menu here. But anyway, if you get a 2-point line and you draw from that node to that node, and then that node to that node, they're lines, but they're not connected. Here's the difference in the 2-point or in the connector line. You go from that, whoop, I've got it set on the wrong one. Go on the straight line, go from that node to that node, and then from that node to that node. Now those lines are connected, and as you can see, they can move. So we'll add one more if we're going to make a perspective. Now it does do that. Sometimes it jumps to the nearest node, which is pretty cool because it will jump to nodes. So if you're ever doing this and you wanted to get rid of those nodes right there in the connector line in the midpoint, but the 2-point or the connector line goes from node to node to node, and then they are connected. That's what the purpose is of it for. I don't use it that much, but it is pretty cool. If you're drawing something and you need to connect lines, they will automatically connect to the subjects. So you don't have to weld them or attach them. They will be there. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.